Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Atta Maulana. My class is 1C and my student number is 6. Oh, and my lecturer is Ma'am Hikmah. So today I want to talk about the case study about Aldi. So it explains how Aldi uses training and development to help grow its business. And the case also shows Aldi's success, but also the problem that it faces as the company keeps growing fast. Next is the core issue. So Aldi is opening many new stores in UK and in other countries. To support this, they need more workers, but not just some ordinary workers, not just some ordinary people. They need people that are skilled, trained and ready to work. The big challenge is how can Aldi keep growing while making sure all staff work at a high standard. If they grow too fast and the training is not good, it can hurt the customer service and store performance. Next is Aldi's current approach. So to solve this, Aldi spends a lot of money on training and helping the staff grow. They offer on-the-job training, learning while working in the store, and off-the-job training like workshops or lessons outside of the store, apprenticeship for school leavers, graduate programs for university students, and retail placement when you're working and learning in the business. Also, Aldi like to promote their own workers. In fact, 85% of the Aldi directors started in lower positions. This shows Aldi really wants to grow their people. But even with all of this, growing too fast still can still causes problems. Next is the problem behind success. Now let's look at the bigger problem. Aldi gives workers good training and useful skills, but this also means workers might leave for some other better jobs. Also, when the company grows too fast, it is hard to make sure every worker gets good training. If new staffs are not ready, customers might not have a good service. So the big question is, how can Aldi grow quickly but still keeps its quality? Next is my strategy to solve the problem. So to solve the problem, my first strategy is strengthen loyalty programs. So just give bonuses or promotions to workers who are working like around 3 to 5 years. This makes people want to stay longer. And second one is decentralized training hubs. Aldi can build training places in each region, so new staff get a good training not far from their store. Next is mentor pairing. So new workers can learn from older and experienced staff. This helps them feel more confident. Next is flexible recruitment tiers. Use different hiring styles for different areas. For example, city areas may need some different ways to attract more staff. Next is why are this strategy works. Just these plans help Aldi grow while still learning people well, training people well. It keeps workers happy and loyal. It also saves time and make training more effective. This way, Aldi stays strong and keep its good reputation, even while opening many stores around the world. Next is my conclusion. So, Aldi already does a lot of train and grow its staff. But because of the company is growing so fast, it needs a better strategy by using smart and flexible ideas. like giving rewards, using training centers and mobile apps. Aldi can keep growing without losing its quality. So yeah, that's all from me. Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So now I'm going to answer the 4 questions in the case study. So the first question is, what is training? So training means teaching the employees of how to do their work better, and it helps them learning some new skills and improve their work. And the second question is, what is the differences between on the job and off the job training, and why does Aldi use both? So on the job training is learning in the store, like so you learning while working, like you can get experience from the work. And off the job training is learning away from work, so like a classroom training classroom, something like that. And Aldi use both to help workers get a real experience and also learn more deeply. This makes sure they are well prepared to work. And the third question is, what are the similarities and differences between training and development? Which is more important for Aldi? So the similarities is both can help the workers. So it can help the workers to do their work better and learn some new skills. So using this, they will improve their work. And the difference is training is a short-term skills, so like using the tool and something like that. And development is for long-term growth. So it's like become a manager, directors and CEOs. So I think the most important for Aldi is development, because Aldi will need good leadership skills, because he wants to open some more stores in the world. And the last question is, how does Aldi attract and train new staff, and which is the most important way and why? So Aldi's attract people with apprenticeship programs, and the second is graduate manager programs, and the third one is on the job and off the job training, and the fourth one is university placement, and the last one is fast promotions. So I think the most important is the graduate program, because Aldi finds smart people from the university and trains them well and helps them become the store leaders. And this is the keys of Aldi's growth. So yeah.